Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. And today I am going to be working with a sticker book called Color Me Happy. As you guys know, the journal of the Franken planner that I have is my favorite part, and I am obsessed with journaling in my planner and treating it like my personal therapist. With that said, I usually don't do colorful spreads, but I thought I'll give it a try and see how this turns out. I think this book is just so full of possibilities. Anyhow, here we go. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. I am so grateful. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and here we go with the plan with me.